Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm really sorry guys. The last few weeks have been the busiest few weeks in my entire life. I'm finally able to make a video and to film a little bit and stuff like that, and especially today I just wanted to hit the reset button a bit and just get my life back together. Yeah, everything is just a little bit all over the place, but we're gonna fix that today hopefully. That's 16, right? This 16. I had my party on Saturday and it was like a picnic sort of sorry, that was my dog. And it was sort of like a picnic, like those trendy ones that you see on TikTok and whatever. But it was so much fun, and it wasn't actually my birthday on Saturday. My birthday is in exactly a week's time, on the 29th of March. I'm really excited for that, and I've got some really cool content planned for my birthday, and hopefully I'll be able to share that with you guys on Instagram a bit, as well as make a really cool video about it. But yeah, I'm turning 16 in a week. My room is a mess, so I have to do that. I have to clean it today, but we'll see. I don't know if I feel like doing that right now. I think right now I'm actually really hungry, and I went for a run today, so I'm proud of myself, but I am hungry. So it is currently 8:03, but today is just gonna be very relaxed and just organizing and getting everything back together. Let's go get breakfast.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes.
Okay, so I wasn't actually planning on doing this, but I just had a look at my channel banner and I don't really feel like it fits with my channel. So I think I'm going to try and revamp it a little bit on Canva. I think I'm going to sort out my Notion, plan out a few things I want to do within the next hour and a half or so. So I think now I'm just going to plan that out quickly, and then I'll share with you guys exactly what it is that I want to get done. So this is what we're looking at for what I want to complete within the next hour. This is how it turned out, and I actually really like it. So I put like a plastic effect on it, and then I put this like white Polaroid real film thing, and then I just put text over it, and I think it looks really cool. So yay, that's done. And eat out for dinner. Okay, so this is the outfit. The top is from H&M. My jeans are from Cotton On. Nikes.